Welcome back to Market Pros. Alright, so here we got Bitcoin on the 8-hour. Let's see here. Oh, we're on Bybit, by the way. So, lower highs, lower lows. We did get rejected from the 21 EMA on the 8-hour. Been being held down by that. We did get above it one time, got to the 50, got rejected. Same thing here, wicked up to the 50, got rejected. This time we did not get up to the 50. I'm also looking at this purple region right here, which just so happens to fall right below that 50, which would be a big level of resistance. Also, the point of control POC on the VPVR also falls in that area. That's where we got rejected from, along with the 21. So let's go down. Let me see here. Let's go to the 4-hour. I'm getting a drink of this. Okay, so here on the 4-hour, once again, okay, so we're being held down by the 50 on the 4-hour, and the 21, we've been kind of riding it. Looks like you're starting to lose momentum, and it's going back to bearish, as you can see on your RSI. Looks like we are entering back into the bearish control zone below the signal line. Your MACD positive momentum is decreasing. Looks like you're coming back down for either a test or a crossover. And if you enter the bearish control zone on the RSI, chances are you're probably going to get the crossover on the MACD. Your BBWP is in the dark blue zone. You haven't printed the blue signal yet, but you're still very, very low. I mean, you're kind of just ranging a little like down, you're ranging down. It's not really, you're kind of in a downwards channel right now. So your volatility really isn't nothing to, it's not nothing crazy right now. Let's go down to the 1-hour and we'll talk about levels. Okay, so on the 1-hour, all right, so your 21 and your 50 looks like they came back up to the 100, tested it, tried to get above it, but they're just contracting right now, and right now they're holding down the price action. Also, you're in the bearish control zone, and you even came back up and retested top of the bearish control zone and resumed down. MACD, fresh cross to the 0 line. Negative momentum is increasing. So your negative momentum is increasing as your price action rolls over, as your BBWP expands. So looks like your volatility is picking up, your negative momentum is increasing, and your price action's rolling over. Also, with your moving averages, if they all cross bearish and start to fan out, I think we come down to the 37,500 region. Basically, that's your bearish case. If all those variables happen, and especially your moving averages continue to hold the price action down and they come down, start to fan out, which all your moving averages do have negative slopes, even your 200 slightly. But if that happens, I would expect us to come back down to the 37,500 region and then come back to it. And if we break that, I think we go to 35. That region, anywhere from 33 to 35, but we'll come back to it and see where we could be at that point. Now, you could also come down to that region and make a double bottom on your 8-hour. I would not be bullish until we get back above, 41. Actually, I would even say 42K is what I'm looking at. 42K is what I'm looking at in order to be bullish again. So you'd have to get above both this 100 and 200, which actually just crossed bearish on your 8-hour. So yeah, I mean, it's not looking too good. I mean, right now I'm probably 65, 70% bearish. And yeah, it's not looking too good right now. Can turn around in the short term. It all just depends on what we do with these moving averages, and if we go back into the bearish control zone, it depends on your momentum. So if your momentum can turn around, then maybe we can get back above this last level in this purple zone. We need to get back above 39,200 to even remotely be bullish. you could just get rejected from this area. So right now I'm looking at this purple zone, and I'm looking at 37,500. And yeah, those are your levels. So those are my thoughts for Bitcoin. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch of links down in the description below. One of them being the Discord link. Come check us out and stay nimble. Just stay nimble on the price action right now. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.